Hey, what's going on, gang? It's your boy, Mrjaycam. Today we're going to install the LighTech brake guard over here. But first, to do that, I need to take a cap off. So I figured I'll show you how to go ahead and take the mirrors off and disconnect the mirrors on this 2018 R1 as well, for anyone who may not be as familiar with the process. So to do that, first, turn the bar all the way over. It's a little retaining bolt right there that we need to pop. Let's take a real skinny Allen wrench to do that. So like pop, like such. Pick it up, just come right out. Then there's a quick and easy 4mm. Straighten out the bars and just pop here. And lifts right on up. I'm gonna turn the bars inwards again. Still a 10mm right up here. And the reason why we took that plastic cover off is because right down in here is the connector right above my fingernail here. It's a connector that we need to pull for the mirror, like so. It comes right on out. I do want to go ahead and take the fairing off. So again, we're gonna come back with the 4mm. Allen wrench on this bolt here. And voila. So, why did I show you all that? For those of you that may be wanting to change the windscreen as well, you're gonna have to go through these steps to do it. Just taking out these 4 bolts will not allow it to come off. It's clipped in up underneath here. And that's what I had to do to put in when I put in the zero gravity double bubble. But now I have all the room that I need. I have all the room I need now to try and get this bar end off. Okay, so I ended up doing that. Got me a little leverage in there. Just gave it a couple taps with the hammer here to get this cap out of this end of the bar. Give it a, and down she goes. So now the bar is hollow. Now I should have enough access to come in through this side now. But do we have enough? Do I have enough length? Don't have quite enough length on that, so I have to find something that's a little bit longer so we can get in there for this screw. Okay, so this part here certainly called for some creativity. This is what I was trying to use. I don't think it's going to be strong enough to poke this end cap loose from the end of the bar. And there she is, folks. Magnet and T-handle did its job with a little coercion of the hammer. So don't be afraid to be creative and use what you got, guys, to get the job done. So put the camera back around and we'll go over and I'll show you the actual main event here for today. Okay, guys, so this is how she comes, like so. Then there's these pieces and the actual color tip, which has to go on still. So we're gonna get the color tip on here first. It's really simple to put together. Tiny screw, like so. You just kind of put it in. So we'll go ahead and do that. Just tighten it down. Comes with a little set of instructions. A nice little set of instructions there. So once you got the pieces all assembled together like so, per the instructions, just gonna take it, slide it in where your old bar end used to be. But yeah, so you wanna sit it there like so. A bit bigger Allen wrench on that end. Probably need a 5, or it looks like maybe even a 6. I'll try the 5 first. 5 it is. Very, very straightforward and simple install. Just takes a little bit of setup work, if you will. Actual work time for this barely 5 minutes. So then you just have to once you get it all positioned where you like it, make sure it's snug and tight. So the reason why this is going on the motorcycle, for those that may not be familiar, is simply because, well, it's required. And I'm going to go racing at the end of the year, and it's required. You don't want to inadvertently activate the brake. Like, even though I'm hitting on it here, like you won't get bumped or in a crash, you won't engage your brake lever accidentally. Racing organizations require them. So now it's there and it's on and we have it. I'll take a close-up photo of it as well. And we're just gonna button back up. And it's just a quick how-to on your bike. We're gonna leave the mirrors off. Like I said, we'll be going to the track, Eagles Canyon Raceway, on June 20th now instead of the 21st. Was going out on Father's Day, but social distancing and all that, needed to move the day up to that Saturday, which is 1 day sooner. It's fine with me. So I apologize for the lack of recent content on Instagram and other social media sites. Experienced the loss of my grandmother, so this episode is dedicated to her as well. Rest in peace, Grandma. I love you. Give Grandpa a high five for me and save us a couple seats, okay? Till next time, peace.